I think it's time we talk about your relationship with your DTF printer. Because honestly, it sounds a little toxic. You're paying crazy prices, waiting for transfers, and the quality, let's just say, needs therapy. But then there's JoesDTF.com. At only $1.77 a square foot, your wallet finally gets a break. And if you order before 2 p.m., your transfers ship the same day. Not on printer time, not next week, the actual same day. And once you hit $34.95, your shipping is free, which makes me wonder what the other guys are doing. But the real reason people make the switch is because the prints are bright, sharp, and insanely clean. You know, the kind where it makes your apparel look like you actually know what you're doing with it. So if your current DTF printer is stressing you out, maybe it's time to break up. And start something better with JoesDTF. JoesDTF.com, better prints, faster shipping, and healthier relationships.